y'all, so today's video is going to be something like a vlog, but I'm just getting tired of my hair right now. And it's not that I'm tired of being natural, that's not what I'm saying, but I haven't been taking care of my hair like I supposed to. Even during the whole quarantine, as far as mask and deep conditioning, I just really slept off. So I just woke up, ran to Ulta to pick me up some gel because I have an appointment to go get my hair professionally done. Hopefully they can help bring back my curls because I honestly think my texture changed. I don't know, I'm just kind of getting over it at this point. So I have an appointment to see someone professional to get my hair done, and on their website they recommend to clarify my hair, to style my hair in the wash and go, and then come to them. Like, I need a consultation. My hair is extremely dry. Now granted, I did have this in for a while, but it's extremely dry. It just don't look as healthy as it used to. My curls used to look so good. I didn't have to always put gel in my hair to make my curls really defined, and I just don't know what's going on right now. So let me go wash my hair and I'll update you all in a little bit. So if you had a chance to catch my last video, which was my wash day routine, you all kind of got an idea of how I feel about my hair. I thought that my hair was extremely dry. I tried to deep condition my hair just to add moisture, and even with me using my staple products, my wash and go and hair just did not look as healthy as it used to. A lot of you all are probably like, Ronnie, what happened to your hair? What caused your hair to be so dry? And I'm just being honest, just like I told you all in previous videos, that I'm a lazy natural. And with this pandemic, it just really did not help at all. Plus, I work as a nurse, so during this time, we're required to keep our hair pimped back. But I mean, that's no excuse. Also, it's just from me not maintaining the basic maintenance of my natural hair, like deep conditioning, adding mask. I just was not doing anything but putting it back into buns. My hair is trained and used to a lot of moisture, creams, and just being styled with water all the time. And not doing that caused my hair to be dry, eventually damaged my hair, causing it to break off. I've been the only one to do my hair since I've been wearing it in its natural state. So now I'm preparing my hair for my first professional salon experience as a natural. So this is what my hair is looking like now that I added all the products to it. So here is just a 360 view. I'll link a video here in the cards if you all want to see all the products that I put in my hair and how I use them. Hoping that my hair turned out really defined. It really don't look the way that I want it to look, but whatever. These were just the products that the salon recommend that I use for good definition. So when I go and get it professionally cut and trimmed, they're able to actually look at my hair and kind of figure out what to do. I've never had it professionally cut since I've been wearing it natural. My plan is to go to somebody professional and have my hair shaped. And I think that's probably why I'm not really happy with the way that my hair looks right now, because my ends need to be trimmed. I'm getting these like single strand knots and stuff like that that I never really experienced with my hair. And again, I have not been taking care of my hair like I'm supposed to. I've just been putting my hair up in these buns time after time after time and haven't done anything to my hair. So I'm just hoping that she can do something with this. I'm not really concerned with keeping the length of my hair. If she have to cut it all the way up, I don't mind. I actually like my hair above my shoulders. I'm like dripping water everywhere. And again, the day is Sunday, so my appointment is not until Tuesday. They did recommend that you wash your hair with these products about 7 days before, but I just didn't have a chance to. So I did it today, and I'm just gonna let it air dry. So here's my hair, 100% dry. And when I say dry, sis, I mean it. Like, look at my hair. For this wash and go to be second day hair, it's crazy how dry my curls look. I wear wash and goes 90% of the time, and I've never felt my hair feel so brittle, so dry. Even on 7th day hair, never had an issue. It's been difficult the last few times I've styled my hair to even hold moisture in my hair strands. I mean, I love big hair just like everybody else, but I don't like big, unhealthy hair. As of right now, I'm just sitting in front of the salon waiting to go in, catching a few clips for you all so you can see the before and after of what my hair looks like. I did not get a chance to really record inside the salon. You all know, like I said, we in a pandemic. So yeah, but this is what my hair looks like before, and I will see what my hair looks like after. Look at the curls. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. It looks so hydrated. It looks so healthy. Let me just give you all a 360. Well, not a 360, but a little spin of what my curls looking like right now. Oh, look how soft and bouncy my hair is. Oh my goodness. No crunch. Like, oh baby. And it smells so good. I don't even know what she put in it to make it smell this good. I cannot wait to see how this hair look in a few days. So this is day 1 hair. I'm going to show you all how it looks for the next few days, how big my hair gets. So look, Let me just show you one more time. Do I need to show you one more time? I don't think I need to show you again. You already seen it. But this is how my hair looks on day 1. I have not plucked it out or did anything like that to it. She did diffuse my hair after putting me under a dryer for a little bit. It's just so soft. So now we are on day 3. Let me stop. So this is day 3 hair. I just wanted to show you all how my curls look now that they are loosened up a little bit. Still soft, it's still defined. I don't have any white flakes. It looks pretty good. I haven't plucked my hair out or add oil to my hair, and my curls still look pretty good. I mean, I could add a little bit of oil to it. Look a little dry here and there, but it looks good. Like, my curls looks banging. So I just wanted to show you all a good view of how my curls looking. Nice and healthy, nice and defined. Hey, future me here. So I just want to jump on here real quick to tell you what caused my hair to be extremely dry. Some of the products that I was using, or a combination of the products that I was using, was not healthy for my hair. Along with me not maintaining the basic maintenance of my hair, some of those products caused a repellent to build up on my hair strands. It's similar to like a clear coat of plastic on your hair that won't let water penetrate. So that's what caused my hair to be extremely dry. And with everything else, I need to make sure that I frequently use a clarifier, especially when I'm trying a bunch of products that may not be always healthy for your hair. I mean, they're coming through. They're coming through. It's the curls. It's the curls. It's the bang. I'm gonna do that. Y'all gotta follow me on TikTok. Anyway, back to this hair. So the salon that I went to is called Diaspora Salon. If you are located in the DMV area and you're interested in having your natural hair professionally cut, shaped, styled, whatever, make sure you go and holler at my girl. I'll leave all the information below. So Yasmine is a certified diva stylist. She's a licensed cosmetologist, and again, she's also the owner of Diaspora Salon. So I did go online and book my appointment. It is required that you put a deposit down, which you should be, and your deposit does go towards any service that you haven't done in the salon. I personally had to reschedule because of, you know, whole corona. I had to reschedule, and it was no problem. Her assistant rescheduled me and booked me for the next opening without any issues, and the deposit that I made did transfer. I did prepare my hair by putting it into a wash and go. If you go on Yasmine's website, she have all the information and steps that you need to take and what products to use to achieve a good wash and go prior to coming to your appointment. I did get my hair cut in a dry state, a dry wash and go. She took each curl, cut it, trimmed it. She just laid them. She laid the curls so nice and neat. She cut it curl by curl. I'm sorry that I wasn't able to get any footage for you all. Again, we living in a pandemic, so I couldn't get good footage for you all. Interested, again, check out her Instagram. The vibe in the salon was just everything. So yeah, she did dry cut my hair in a wash and go. She did it curl by curl, clip the ends, anything she seen raggedy or straggedy, I told her to get rid of it. I did ask her to keep my length. However, if my hair did not look healthy, then just get rid of it. I prefer health over length. But one thing that I will recommend that I did, that I will tell you all, if you're going to get your hair professionally cut, whether it's at Diaspora Salon or whatever salon you plan on going to, make sure that you go on Pinterest or Instagram and get some inspiration, because that's what I did, and it definitely helped. And I mean, I'm not saying that your hair gonna look exactly like the pictures that you screenshot. However, it will give the hairstylist some type of knowledge on how you want your hair. You're not going in there like, yeah, I want it like this, I want this. No, just try to give them a visual picture of how you want your hair. I'll insert some pictures here of that I got off of Pinterest on how I wanted my hair cut. So I'm going to share with you the products that she used in my hair to achieve this wash and go. So I did purchase all these products directly from Diaspora Salon, from Yasmine. However, she do not sell these products online. So she do offer curbside pickup. If you're in the DMV area, swing past, grab these products. You'll have them quick, fast, and in a hurry. However, if you don't live in the DMV area and you're interested in getting your hands on some of these products, I will leave a link below in the description bar, so make sure that you check it out. So we got to support our black owned businesses, okay? So the name of the salon is Diaspora, and again, I purchased all these products directly from her. I'm going to show you these products, but not in no particular order. So the first product that I'm going to show you all is by a brand called Inner Sense. Now Yasmine spoke very highly of this brand. Now this is a volumizing lotion that provides fullness and manageability. It is formulated with organic honey and aloe vera, which brings fullness and manageability to even the finest hair. And this is what the bottle looks like. So the next product that she used in my hair is by the brand We Dad. It is a foaming mousse that she applied to my hair just to give my hair extra volume. And this is what it looks like as well. I always mess the name up. I think it's pronounced Weedad. Y'all know what I'm talking about, but this is what it looks like. And the last product that she used in my hair is by Uncle Funky's daughter. This is the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. It's for kinky, curly, and wavy textured hair. And this is what the bottle looks like. I absolutely love this packaging. Oh, it looks so good. I love brown packaging. But yeah, so she used this to define my hair, and it says that it tames frizz while defining, elongating, and nourishing curls. And this is what I want. So again, all these products is sold at her store. If you're interested, swing past. All the information is in the description box below. So Yasmine did recommend for the health of my hair that I come to her every 6 months to get my hair trimmed. I just think that I've been using a lot of different products without clarifying my hair and bringing my curls back to life. And a lot of products out here is not healthy for your hair. I want to keep this shape. I mean, I'll probably let my bangs grow out eventually. So from now on, I will be going to get my hair cut professionally. Y'all know how I feel about bangs in the fall time. I just think fall time is the best time to, I'm sorry. I just think that fall is the best time to bring out the bangs. The bangs. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Again, thank you all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about my hair. And I will see you in the next one.